Tusina, and I'm with the operations department. And these are my group members, Uriel and Mohammed.
Hello, Mohammed.
So today I'm going to be introducing the letter in the Word in the Excel presentation analysis, while Mohammed introduces the Access database. And to conclude, Uriel will talk about the PowerPoint training presentation. So the operations department refers to the administration of practices at the Bell Orchid Hotel to create a highest level of efficiency. All right, so the word. To talk about the word, what we did for the word, we created a letter to the applicants that applied for the front desk position at the Bell Orchid Hotel. In the letter, we informed them. We explained about we talked about the requirements that they needed, and also what the responsibilities were, and what they needed to bring to the interview. And as you can see here, we have the name of the applicant, the address, and we start the letter and pretty much we point out the main things that we want from the applicant. And at the end, we end it with the manager name, operations department. The Excel spreadsheet analysis. So what we did with the Excel spreadsheet, the purpose of it was to calculate data of the rooms that were booked on each day of the week, so it could better determine the housekeeping needs for the hotel. So as you can see here, day one, the deluxe suite and standard. So we just pretty much day one, day two to day 7, and that's a week. So as you can see, the numbers rise up after each week as you see the total over there, and down that way also. And at the end of the Excel spreadsheet, we created a table that included all the data from each week, and we also have a graph. And that was pretty much it with the Excel spreadsheet analysis.
Hello, my name is Mohammed. I work at the operation department. I also work with the IT department that handles the database management system for Bell Orchid Hotel. The reason, first of all, I would like to mention we have a different database for our booking system. We use Oracle, and pretty much the guys at the IT department came up to me and said they noticed some people that were returning customers that had been using our hotel pretty much 4 to 5 times a year. So what we had decided was to create a different database for them, since they pretty much spend a lot of their time and a lot of their money with us. So what we did is we started using different database, Microsoft Access. Right now we just have a random ID for them. We haven't set up a special ID yet. As you can see, the fields which are on the top of the columns, like the first name and the last name, the address, the city, state, zip, the number of party, the room number, the nights they spend with us, and how much we charge at night. That's all only the fields that we have so far. So what we are actually trying to accomplish is add actually different fields, their likes, their dislikes, their favorite room. That way, when they call us, we have this to pull up and see their favorite room, their favorite food, things that they like. So pretty much this is all we have for now, but in the future, we're going to be adding a lot of fields. And right now we're asking them if they want to provide a different ID, maybe their last four numbers of their social, and we might add their debit card or credit card number in there, since they are returning customers and they spend a lot of time with us. So pretty much right now this is all we have, but in the future we're going to continue building this database. Thank you.
Okay, so I'll be presenting about the PowerPoint presentation that we had to do. For the purpose of the PowerPoint presentation was to create a training process for new employees for the front desk position. The purpose was also the presentation will consist of routine front desk duties, room assignment functions, and additional guest services. Front desk, the presentation for the front desk position. During the training, I will talk about the reservation experience, routine front desk duties, room assignment responsibilities, additional front desk services, and meeting and convention services. When a guest comes into a hotel, we want their experience to be fast and friendly. We want them, if they're fast and friendly, they're going to be repeat customers. You know, they don't want to come into a hotel, be tired, and have to wait a long time. So they definitely want to be fast. We also don't want them to complain, so we want the reservation experience to be accurate and efficient. The routine front desk duties include check-in, check-out, payment, information on local attractions, guest messages and mails, and knowledge of hotel amenities and services. For the room assignment functions, the front desk staff has to assign rooms, reassign them. They have to have knowledge of room size, availability, room type, room amenities, and they also have to have knowledge of room service. For the additional guest services, the front desk position, they have to have knowledge of the concierge, tour information, car rental, information on shops, guest transfers, the hair salon services that we offer, laundry and dry cleaning. The front desk position also has to have knowledge of the meeting and convention services. For these services, we offer meeting rooms, conference and banquet facilities, and meeting services, which include like AV equipment, internet access, catering. To wrap up the presentation, the operation department accomplished to send a letter to 3 applicants for the front desk position, created a room and housekeeping service analysis workbook. We created an access database that tracks guest information as well as room rates and availability. And we created a PowerPoint for the front desk training presentation. The end. Any questions?